Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Set up a quiet room and position your microphone 3 to 6 inches from your mouth. Use 44, 1 kHz sample rate and 24-bit depth for consistent audio quality. Record a target level near -6 dB without clipping or excessive gain. Speak with controlled breaths and keep sentences steady over the recording. Use a pop filter and low latency monitoring to prevent plosives and timing issues. Save raw takes and label files with date and short descriptions. Capture a reference tone of -18 dB for later normalization and comparison. Import your raw takes into a DAW and organize tracks by scene or line number. Use trims and fades to remove silence and avoid abrupt audio clicks or pops. Apply a noise reduction plugin with conservative settings, about 20 dB reduction at most. EQ with a high pass at 80 Hz and gentle cuts to remove muddiness. Compress with a 3:1 ratio, 5 to 10 millisecond attack, and 100 ms release. Ride levels manually, or use clip gain to keep intelligibility and natural dynamics. Balance your voice against music and SFX using low-cut sidechains on the music track. Use automation to lower music by 10 to 15 dB during spoken phrases for clarity. Check mono compatibility and listen on headphones, studio monitors, and phone speakers. Apply a gentle limiter at -1 dB true peak to prevent clipping in distribution. Render final deliverables as a WAV and an MP3 at 192 kbps for easy sharing. Label files clearly with title, version, and date before uploading to clients or platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.